All right, guys, what's up? We're here at the desk working a little bit on this trading stuff. Let me just get this in order because I don't want to put it in the video and it'd be a little too messy. Anyways, so we got this right here. This is the account I was telling you guys that I'm trying to grow. So right now, remember, started the account at 150. Let's go to history, last 7 days. So history, as you can see here on, I took a couple losing trades here. Now, all this AUDUSD, all these are AUDUSD. So I took about a $14 loss, like a $20 loss with AUDUSD. I was already in profit. I think like I was at 163 from 150 to the charts here. So what had happened was over here, I had took the AUDUSD trade right over, let's see if we can see it, right over here. I saw price, I marked out seller's rejection point. Sellers also reject here. We got a consolidation here, and it breaks out. The moment it breaks out, I'm like, let's let it retrace, but the retracement becomes a consolidation. And once I see it at the trend line, I took the trade. What happened? We had news this morning, and I'm not lying because as you can see, that candle right there is 6 in the morning. I don't know if that focuses or not, but it's 6 in the morning. So we had news at 6 in the morning and it wicked me out, the trade. What did I do? I let it do its thing. Once I saw the rejection again, jumped right back into the trade right here. And so far, we're all the way down here. What's the goal? The goal is to target some of these base hits right here. See? Right there. This is our next point of interest right here. I don't know if that makes sense to some of you guys, but it makes perfect sense to me. Why? Because this is the area where we had buyers and sellers closing right there. Next one is right here, but I'm targeting way down here. I know this is a stretch. I'm not saying it's gonna reach there. This is a $110 profit trade, and I know it's a stretch. So I'm obviously looking at my trade daily to see if, what's it called, what it does when it gets to these small points of interest, if it's gonna retrace back up, or it's gonna break out, retest into it, go into the next base hit, same thing if it retraces back up, you know. So I'm also, it's a risk-free trade, profit $10.86, we're up $33. Remember, this is just a $150 account. Now that's the trade I'm in right now. Going back on the overview right now, it looks like the equity on the account is, let me put the camera right here, 175. Keep in mind, guys, this is a GoPro. I don't know if it's until I transfer it to the phone, but anyways, equity right here, 175. You see, and that's already $25 in profit so far from 150. So as you can see, this trade, it's pushing. It's definitely gonna get over here. If it closes right here, that's a 40, let's say $42, 41 and something dollar trade right there, $42. If it targets the next base hit, that's gonna be a $67 trade. And I know I'm stretching it. If it targets this area right here, I know this is crazy, that'll be a 90 something dollar trade. Anyways, point here is that you can trade with $150 or even $100, guys. You really can. There's, you know, you really can trade. So if you guys look at that trade, it's a pretty clean setup, you know, break of structure, retest, consolidation, got in on that retest into the trend line, and here we are back in. Well, actually, yeah, wicked out, and then got back in the trade, and here we are. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on that. And this is a journey we're gonna see. I'm gonna be adding money. I am gonna be adding money, but the thing is this, something you guys gotta understand is this, where it says funds, that's the amount of money I put into my account. So if I deposit another $150, let's say if this was 150 and I deposit another 150, it will say 300, and any profits, it'll be added right here. Now, let's be clear. This is not a demo account. Demo account, let's do the difference, $17,000, but that is fake. This is, oh, sorry. See? Sorry, guys, I didn't know if I was recording. Demo account, see that? $17,000. But with a real account, we're gonna go here, live account. So this is the account we're building up. And yeah, so deposit funds, all that good stuff. Anyways, yeah, guys, so that's where we're at right now in this trading. Oh my god, in this trading stuff. And I'm gonna just be recording everything. I'm gonna be recording the whole process. It's not about the amount of capital you start with. It's about the fact that you have to know how to trade. I'm not ignorant to trading. I was just trying to do the prop firm game, but you know, there's so many rules in the prop firm. I'm not against it, but I don't know. The thing is, like, on your own account, you don't gotta follow all those rules. You know what I mean? Like, you could kind of like let your trade go by itself, do its thing. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. So yeah, guys, stay tuned.